Hey, friend.
Good morning to you. They say.
Well, that's that.
Hello there.
Gentlemen.
Good morning. Hello, mister.
So, welcome to our humble police house. I can't possibly help you if you don't tell me what you need.
Chief, I'm representing the inventor of a humane execution machine. An electric chair. And he wants to demonstrate his invention here.
Ah, I'm familiar with the man and his work. Tell you what, I'll give you a permit. But it's gonna cost you $100 in fees.
Hello.
Monsieur.
Hey, look, this will save you money in the long run. And, it'll save the condemned a whole lot of pain.
That remains to be seen. But I'll give you a permit for 50.
Okay, well, the price is fair. Here you go.
And here, sir, is your permit. Pending the usual formalities, of course, such as finding a suitable candidate for humane dispatchment.
I'll tell that to the professor.
Good luck.
Hello there.
Hey, move it!
Morning. How's your neck?
Good girl.
Let me vote. Let me vote. I can say this all day. Let me vote. Let me vote. Let me
Homes
vote.
for the blind.
Say this for as long as it takes. Come on, people.
Someone there?
Let me vote.
Do you have anything to spare for a blind man? Oh, good day to you. Do you have anything you can spare for a blind man?
Is someone there?
Oh, thank you, sir. Truly, thank you. It means a lot to me.
Let's go, girl.
Hello.
Homes for the blind.
Go. Yeah.
Hi.
Fermo. What's the holdup? Get out the way. What the? Why?
Hola, señorita. How are you keeping?
Morning, mister. You can cut that out right now.
Slow down, will you? What has gotten into you?
Slow down, please.
Watch it!
What's the
hell's your problem?
Je vous salue.
What's the idea?
You rest up.
new friend,
Hello, Professor...
Andrew Bell III.
That's it. So, the chief says you can test out your machine, pending the usual formalities.
And what are they?
Finding a suitable, subject.
Ah, funny you should mention. This fella here, he seems sturdy enough and he's guilty as sin.
Wilson J. McDaniels. Wanted for murder, bigamy, and immoral animal husbandry. What's that?
The mind shudders. Ugh. Here, find him for me and help me put him out of his misery. Huh. This is all coming together wonderfully. Final piece of the puzzle. I have only a few more adjustments to make. Please hurry with our subject. Science awaits it.
Yep. Hello.
Yeah! Yeah! Yeah!
Whoa, easy.
place ain't for you. Get. Hey, I got someone here.
Ain't no one gonna save you! Arms ready.
This here boy's gonna gut you.
Yes, you're welcome.
I'll come with you, you son of a bitch.
Come on. I got a special treat for you.
Cat's paw bastard!
So, what do you got for me? You're coming with me. Up you get.
Take me to damn court, then! This ain't America! We ain't free no more!
Sounds like sour grapes. You know, you ain't going to court. You ain't going to jail either. I'm taking you to a professor I know.
What in hell are you talking about?
You're a lucky man, mister. You get to be part of a great experiment.
Shut up!
Huh? You ain't gonna die needlessly, is what I mean. Nope. Your death's gonna be an important step in the advancement of human knowledge.
What in hell are you saying, mister?
This professor, Andrew Bell III, I believe he said. He's a little odd, maybe harebrained, but I got no reason to doubt the quality of his work.
What's this damn professor got to do with anything?
Well, he wants to try this new electricity chair on you, to kill you. Humane.
No!
Yeah. Well, he's gonna strap you into this contraption and run a large electric current through your system. Got something to do with moonshine. Don't quite know what. I guess that's why he's the professor and I'm the bounty catcher. Well, as I said, I can pass on his assurances that this is a most humane way to go. It'll be just like, well, like switching off a light.
They wouldn't let you do this to me. They wouldn't.
Oh, they would. And we got a permit and everything. You was in animal husbandry, am I right? Well, you ever seen lightning strike livestock, Mr. McDaniels? Now, I ain't ever seen the actual impact, but I came across the pasture sometime after. The storm had just cleared and there was smoke in the air, smell of burning hair.
No.
There must have been a dozen head of cattle lying there, piled up, mangled, strange scars across their backs, legs, and necks. It's half like they was burned, and half like the skin was ripped off of them.
No.
Eyes bleeding. Some of them popped out.
No.
If I hadn't seen the storm, well, I would have thought some devil caused that mischief. But no, sir. It was lightning. Electricity does something, all right. I seen trees explode in front of me. I seen desert sand baked into glass. That's what I seen lightning do. But, you know, hey, this electricity professor's got a plan for you. That must be of an entirely different kind. I'm sorry about that, McDaniels. You all right? Uh-huh. Yeah, me too. Well, you'll be happy to know we ain't got far to go. Hold on tight now. Well, here we are. The professor will be real pleased to meet you.
No!
Hey, move it already.
Come on. Don't be shy now. Let's go.
Bring him to me.
Here, I got him.
You're wonderful. Just wonderful. Put...
Now, where's my money?
Money?
Yeah, for all the running around I've been doing.
Oh, well, once they buy my humane electric ending facilitator, there'll be money enough for you, sir.
Well, let's hope.
All right, let's get our poor unfortunate ready for the demonstration. Oh, do come and watch. It'll be amazing. Come along.
What you hiding behind that mask
Don't care why you hiding your face. Just don't hassle me.
Excuse me, I'm collecting for the poor.
Evening, mister.
Do you never work?
No, just catching my breath.
Yeah. Off for the poor.
I'm getting a bad feeling seeing your face. Bastards. These little bastards.
What are you doing here with that mask on?
You look where you're going.
Not good.
What is your problem? That's okay. I did not have any followers.
Don't mind me.
Well, that mask doesn't inspire a whole lot of confidence, friend. So, what do you have for me?
Blessed are the poor, and bless them with your own kindness.
Howdy, fellers.
Hello, sir.
Thank you.
Taylor
Really.
Belt, any hide you choose.
Hello, mister.
Mister?
Hello. Hey there.
Sir?
Hey there.
Hello, sir.
Hello there.
Hello. Hey, I'm not looking for trouble, stranger.
Hey.
Hello?
Hey there.
Hello.
Hello, sir.
This,
Leave me
I got nothing to do with this.
I'm getting the law.
Help me.
Where is the lawman?
Where is that? My God! Ah, shit!
Where's the law?
Oh,
Go
God.
away from me.
Karim. Holy hell!
Okay, we'll handle it.
Out of the way.
Ping sour!
Help!
Jesus Christ. Sorry about that.
You know how it is. I'm almost afraid. My dad.
Get up like that mask will get you shot, friend.
Clear the way.
Whole lot of ugly business here.
Hey! 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 I know you're in there!
Partner.
Howdy.
Come on out! You coward! We gonna talk about what you done to my wife! You're a dead man!
Hey!
Who the devil are you?
far as you're concerned, I am the devil. Now get out of here.
This cad!
I said get out of here! I don't quite know why I did that.
Because barbarity is boring, no?
It kept me amused some years.
You must go, my friend, before the gendarmerie arrive.
Hey, you gonna do right by this feller's wife?
You have done right by her. The little bird is free. I am an artist, cowboy. I must do what I feel. Look, I have an exhibit at the gallery. You come, see what I mean.
Careful.
Nothing for
There's
you to
folks
worry
here who'll
about.
take that mask off for you.
Can't believe this is happening again.
Hey, fellas.
How goes, partner?
Mister?
Ah, they're gonna be the end of it.
You must be a little crazy, eh?
Hey, partner.
Mister?
Please, I need help here.
How do you do?
The saloon is absolutely overrun with rats. Worse than last time. Much, much worse. I can't get near the damn things. Scurrying around. But I need them gone. I'll pay double from the last time, huh?
Yeah? Jesus, fella. Won't say no to the money, though.
Oh, thank God. Head in there, but please, please, try not to destroy the place. You're doing God's work. Well, shit. Thank you, mister. You earned this, that's for sure.
You got it.
Better be the last of them. I don't think I can handle otherwise.
Help the poor. Help the poor.
You, kind sir, will you help the poor?
I ain't so kind.
Yes, you are, sir. You have it in you, I can tell.
I'm a nasty bit of work, Father.
You're wrong on 2 counts, sir. I'm a humble brother, a penitent monk, not a priest, and you're a magnificent bit of work. You may have made some poor choices, but which of us hasn't?
You have no idea.
But you do. And God does, and that's enough for me and for him.
We shall see.
That we shall, sir. But why don't you hedge your bets and give 2 bits to the poor? There are so many who will go hungry tonight.
Sure.
Bless you, sir.
How you getting on, anyhow?
These are a somewhat apathetic lot, I'm afraid.
My mentor says that America is designed to induce apathy in people.
It's a wonderful insight. He must be a wise man, your mentor.
Well, sometimes he's a downright fool, but well, usually he's the best man I know.
That's wonderful. The thing is, well, poverty will always be with us. But slavery, I thought we had banished that. Like Saint Denis is acting as a staging post for shipping slaves out to some of the islands.
I don't believe you. It's 1899.
Maybe you should take a look for yourself. I've heard that the pawnbroker down the block around the corner, the one with the green door, well, they say he sells more than forlorn trinkets. Help the poor.
I don't know myself, but he knows who I am.
How you do?
Caesar.
Hello? Shh, cállate, cállate. ¿Hay alguien ahí? ¿Quién es? Por favor, ayúdanos. Help, please. Help, please.
Please, I'm on your side. It's gonna be okay.
Por favor.
Now don't worry. I'm on your side.
Gracias, señor. Muchas gracias.
Come with me. Don't worry. You're gonna be all right now. Promise. That's it. Come on. You'll be safe soon. This way. Not much farther. Poor bastards.
¿Quién es este hombre?
No lo sé. Estamos libres y eso es lo que importa. Tenemos que confiar en él.
Chaps and boots made here, folks.
Now, why the need for
Brother Dorkin's friend.
Arthur Morgan. Come on. You were right. I found these two imprisoned in that shop.
Oh my. That's... Well, they are blessed to have met you, Arthur.
Trust me, in that they're very unusual. I don't think they speak much English.
My brothers, come. Let's go get something to eat. Manger. Comida, please.
Hey, you forgot this?
Oh. Yes. Thank you. Here. Payment. For your services. I could not have freed these men myself.
Give it to the poor, brother.
Thank you. I will. Like I said, magnificent. Come on. Come. Come see me again sometime. I often work at the old church on Gasper Street in St. Francis.
Move!
Move already. Oh, hey.
Hello. Giddy up!
Lord.
Buongiorno.
Yeah. Yeah. Hold up.
There it is. You came back, huh? Now you listen. You try more shit like last time, I shoot you down. That being said, I'm willing to show you how it's done. Last time you got hot under the collar, near had to put you down. What do you say we keep our heads this round? So, big shot?
Won't say no. Let's fire off a few.
Happy days. Just like last time, whoever shoots the most bottles wins. Right, stand alongside me. Soon as you pull your weapon and aim, we let fly. Big, go. Oh, yes. Boy.
Oh, I'm taking plenty of notes.
That's just how it goes when you poke the beast. Want to try it again, though? Raised stakes.
You're on.
Well, that's what I like to hear. We'll do the birds again. First to knock 4 out of heaven gets the win. Stand close. As soon as you see them, start shooting. Wait for it. There they go now. Shoot! All right, then. I'll give you that one. Here you go. As promised.
Thanks, friend.
Careful now. Next time I may not hold back.
Okay, girl. Yeah. Go. Not again. Yeah. Easy, easy. Yeah.
Good morning.
Yeah. Let's get... Here. Yeah. You all right, girl? Whoa, now. Yep. Yeah. You okay, girl?
About time I bathed.
Howdy.
Yes.
right, girl. Whoa, easy. There, girl. Leaving you here, girl.
Find her like this, it'll fly much better. You're a useful fella to have around. Not everyone would agree. Like who? Bill, for one. Bill don't like nobody who's tougher or smarter than him. Which means he really don't like many people at all. Except for maybe that Kieran. Yeah. See? You learn quick.
Selling pineapple.